Anthropic just open-sourced 70 legal AI agents, with a Westlaw connector built in, tracked changes in Microsoft Word, and a price tag of 0. The whole thing is markdown. Legal AI is a multi-billion-dollar category. Harvey, Hebia, Spellbook, CoCounsel as a product, all selling six-figure subscriptions to the same kind of thing. Prompt a model, redline a contract, summarize a case. Harvey alone has 60-plus Am Law 100 firms on contract. That market just got a free reference implementation from Anthropic, with Westlaw access included. It's a single GitHub repo, Anthropic/claude-for-legal, Apache-2.0. Inside, 13 vertical plugins, 70-plus named agents, 30-plus MCP connectors, every legal data system you've heard of, pre-wired. And here's the move. Everything is markdown and JSON. No build step. The skills are just files. You can read the entire product with CAT. This isn't a SaaS launch, it's a scaffold. The verticals are exactly the legal practice map. Commercial, corporate, employment, privacy, product, regulatory, AI governance, IP, litigation, plus a law clinic plugin for clinical program staff, plus a law student plugin that includes a skill called Socratic Drill. And I quote, "It asks questions, you answer, it pushes back, never gives the answer." Anthropic shipped a 1L professor. Here's the part the legal tech industry didn't see coming. Thomson Reuters, the company that owns Westlaw, built and maintains the CoCounsel Legal MCP connector. Case law, statutes, regulations, practical law. With verified citations across 3 jurisdictions per run, the biggest legal data moat in the industry, distributed through Anthropic's marketplace. For free. Now this is the part developers should actually pay attention to. First command in every plugin, cold start interview. It interviews you, your playbook, your house style, your escalation rules. It reads your seed documents. Then it writes a customized claude.md practice profile. And every single downstream skill in that plugin reads from it. One file. The customization mechanism is the plugin. Steal this pattern. Every contract-touching skill outputs tracked changes in the Microsoft Word sidebar. Because lawyers don't live in VS Code, they live in .docs. The model isn't the differentiator anymore. The output format is Word, Excel, multi-sheet with a sources tab, sorted by cancel by date. Read the room. Anthropic did. There's a hub for community skills called Legal Builder Hub, and every inbound skill passes through 4 gates: hidden content scan, prompt injection detection, a restrictive by default allow list, rescan on every update, the README, verbatim. A non-lawyer gets routed to their attorney contact, not an install anyway button. Prompt injection via skill, taken seriously in a regulated profession. So why ship this for free? Because Anthropic isn't trying to win the legal app. They're trying to win the legal infrastructure. Every skill in this repo runs 2 ways from one source, as a Claude Cowork plugin, or as a managed agent's API deployment behind your own orchestrator. Quote, "Same system prompt, same skills, you choose where it runs." Translation: the legal app layer is now a commodity. The model and the agent runtime, that's where Anthropic gets paid. Now, the honest take. This does not replace lawyers. The repo's first rule: every output is a draft for attorney review, not legal advice. And that line is load-bearing. Source attribution on every citation. Conservative privilege defaults. Jurisdiction assumptions surfaced. Explicit send gates before anything ships. The win is augmentation, not replacement. And the guardrails are in the code. 4 patterns. Take notes. 1. Skills as markdown files, greppable, reviewable, forkable. Then 2. Claude.md as a practice profile. 1 file, every skill reads from it. 3. MCP for tools, vendor-neutral plumbing. 4. Dual deploy, same skill, plugin or managed agent. Pick where it runs. Anthropic just templated vertical AI, medical, finance, ops. Every one of those gets this pattern next. Clone the repo, read the skills, they're markdown. Subscribe, we're decoding the rest of it.